Okay. Um, hmm. Once you've got all of your documentation done on your thing here, on your thing, duh. Okay, let's look at if you turn on your crop region so you can see the box. Okay, and now you can adjust your crop region so that it makes a smaller footprint when you actually bring it into your drawing. Okay, and if you remember working with these, um, you can have an annotation crop which will show up as the dash line outside that, so that if your dimensions or text or leaders go outside of the crop region, it'll still show up, and you can adjust that separately. Okay, and when we start dealing with section views and things like that, you'll see that more prevalent. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and hide my crop region. You can leave it on for now. It doesn't really matter, but we're going to use this title block that I've given you in this week's files. One that I created, it's a 24 by 36, and you'll notice that it's missing the one additional border outside there, but it's okay. I set it up to get a maximum amount of space inside the border. Okay, excuse me. Now bring your basement plan in, which we've got renamed as foundation plan. This is going to be sheet A2. We're going to stay pretty close to what the paper drawings have. Okay, bring that in. Now notes, the easiest way to do notes when you got a lot of stuff is to type it up in Microsoft Word and go ahead and use the numbering, excuse me, system to set it up. Go ahead and type it up, spell check it, do all those kinds of things. Okay, then copy it. Select it all, go Control C, copy it, and then in Revit, come over here to Legends. Excuse me. Come over to Legends, and we'll go create a new legend. Set the scale, whatever drawings, excuse me, drawing size your sheet's going to be. Start you a text box. Make sure it's just plain text, no leader. Oh, I didn't copy my word. I selected it. So we'll go Control C here, and then come into here. Uh, my text is 3/32 arrow, and go Control V to paste it. And you can see it has it way out there. All right. And so I can grab that and start dragging it back in, kind of like what I've got it set, what it looks like on the drawings. Current width, and they all. I need a space right there. I remember that. So that's about what size it is on my drawing sheet, on the paper sheets. Now you want to come in here at the end of each line where there should be a carriage return, and hold down the Shift key and hit Enter, so that it'll give you another line without adding another numeral. Okay. Now you're going to call this, you're going to name this legend, of course, foundation plan notes, and then on your drawing sheet, you'll click and you'll drag that in and drop it here. And then I used my 1/4" City Blueprint font to create me a text up here for foundation notes. Okay, let's see. Checking my notes. Drawing text for title. Ah, the viewport that I dropped this in with. a normal viewport puts the the view name and the scale at the bottom. So what I did is I copied this one, did a duplicate of it, and renamed it as viewport notes and set show title to no. And yeah, that's all you had to do for that one, okay? So I created a new one, and then all of my notes that I'm putting in here or something that I don't want to have a title under it, once I dropped it in, I can just come up here and change the viewport type, okay? So did that. Okay, and I think that pretty well gets, um, oh, yes, down here. We got to make some changes down here. So let me go back to this plan. Right here where we've got the overhang. What I did is I turned my underlay on. Uh, I turned on the first floor underlay, and then I drew a line. I went annotate, detail line, and I chose this hidden. Okay, once if you choose that one, it gives you a black dash line as opposed to a green dash line. Okay, and then I traced where my wall for the overhanging floor is. And then I go back and turn the underlay off. So that's got the overhang for the floor. All right, this, I give this to you in the files, the slope arrow 15879. Okay, and these are the slopes per foot. Okay, so it's supposed to be an 1/8 inch slope per foot, so I'll bring that in there. And I went ahead and edited the suffix there. Okay, so the top is pitch slab, and the bottom should read 1/8 inch per foot. Brought it in there, and the way this one works, you got a choice of right arrow or left arrow, but you want to rotate it so that you can read it from the right side of the sheet. Okay, and then a bunch of text, and of course, edit your project information so that your name is listed as the owner. The plan type is the project, okay? And I set the issue date as March 6th when you're supposed to turn it in. Of course, author. Okay, sounds good. If you got questions, come see us, shoot us an email.